สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome back to All You Speak Thai channel. You are with me, Bowie from Thai Online with Bowie. If you are watching this video, it's likely that you already have some connection to the Thai language, whether you are a new learner or you have been learning Thai for a while. Maybe you are looking for strategies to boost your learning. I have been asked for so many times about how to learn Thai fast and effectively.And because I have so many successful students who have been sharing their learning techniques with me, so today I'm so excited to share those strategies that my successful students have been using. Here are 3 key strategies that my students employ. Number 1. Discovering what sparks their joy in learning the language. Number 2.Crafting a structured learning routine. Number 3. Setting clear goals and regularly assessing progress. Alright, let's talk about these 3 strategies in more detail. So, number 1, what sparks joy in learning the language? It is a very important question that I always ask my students because I want to make sure that all my students will enjoy having lessons with me. I've realized that many students feel pressured to follow a specific approach. For example, many students have been told that they have to start reading Thai right away if they want to be fluent in Thai, which I do agree in some part because when you can read Thai,Your pronunciation is way better. You have more learning materials. You can explore more about Thailand. I'm sure about that. But we have to keep in mind that not all of us are very good at that. Not all of us will find that interesting, especially when you're first learning the language. Many will find it too complicated. And I've seen many new learners, they just give up.Because they feel like it's impossible for them to learn this language. Too much for them. Let me give you some examples. Some students, they want to learn Thai because they love the sounds. They love watching Thai dramas. So what they do, they will just pick up some Thai dramas that they like and they watch the dramas with subtitles.After that, they take notes of interesting expressions and words that they want to learn more. And after that, because they really enjoy learning now, they then invest more time in learning about reading Thai and grammars and all the rules and structures. Or some students, they just really like reading. They love how we write characters.They feel like every time when they draw it, they want to know how to call this letter, how the tone mark plays above the vowel. They enjoy that. How about yourself? What sparks joy for you? Now let's move to number 2. Crafting a structured learning routine and maintaining motivation.Many successful learners establish daily routines such as spending an hour on vocabulary practice, taking notes or watching Thai movies or listening to a podcast. By incorporating these activities into their daily schedule, they create a sense of consistency and commitment to language learning. One student, he loves working out in the morning. So he told me that when he's at the gym or he's running in a park, he will listen to a Thai podcast or listen to words of vocabulary that we learned in the previous conversation, in the previous lessons. And another student, she loved watching Thai dramas. So she told me that after working hard all day, she will watch a Thai movie in the evening.And learn new words and phrases. Because she really enjoyed it, that's why doing this every day for her is fun. These learning routines help them a lot to stay engaged and avoid feeling like they are starting from scratch each day. And lastly, number 3, setting clear goals and often tracking your learning progress. Setting goals and assessment are essential. Your goals could be something fun like having conversations with your Thai friends within 3 months, or be able to navigate a local market in Thailand using only Thai language. You create a roadmap for your learning journey. And when you achieve these goals, it's not just to boost your confidence, but also to make you feel like you want more challenges. And for the assessment part, I would recommend you guys to book lessons with online teachers because they can provide you valuable feedback in order to help you reach your goals. I hope in this video I've provided some useful insights for you guys. And as someone who's been teaching Thai for many years, I am so delighted to be a part of your learning journey. I always say that because it's true. Don't forget to check out link of useful learning resources that I will put in the comment section below. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave your comments. I would be so happy to hear from you all. Hope you guys like this video and I am looking forward to seeing you in the next video. ขอบคุณมากนะคะ แล้วเจอกันครั้งหน้า สวัสดีค่ะ